Hi, good morning, my beloved student of grade 3. So we see again on English class. After you finish your midterm test, I hope all of you got the good score, and I know that all of you already do the hard work, and I think all of you will get the good result for your midterm test. Now for today, let's continue our lesson for unit 3. So we have studied for unit 1 until unit 2. Now we move on to unit 3. On unit 3, we will learn about how to telling time. Maybe anyone, do you know how to asking a question if you want to know about time, about clock? Kalau mau menanyakan waktu atau jam, gimana pertanyaannya? How do you ask a question about that? Ya, in unit 3 kalian bisa buka bukunya ya, on your Happy Campers book, page 24. Yeah, if you want to ask a question about time, and if you want to know about time, you can give this question: what time is it? So if somebody asking you or ask you about what time is it, this is how you answer. You have to know how to pronounce or how to telling time. If on the last meeting, in the last 2 weeks, we have learned about telling numbers, but in ordinal numbers, about calendars or date, tanggal. Nah, sekarang we telling numbers, but about time, the purpose for telling time, ya. Nah, before we go to the next session, I would like to telling you this one. If you see your Happy Campers book, page 24, in this one you will see AM and PM. Who knows what is the meaning of AM and PM? What is the difference? Anyone? Yes? Yeah, maybe some of you already know about the difference, yeah. If you have your watch, kalau ada digital watch, usually you use this numeric form or numeric pattern. If you use the analog watch, you will have 2 needles that showing different numbers depends on the time. Jadi berbeda antara jam digital dan jam analog hanya di tampilannya, on how it's look, ya. If the digital is most of them is used numeric, and if you use analog watch, you will see 2 needles, 2 jarum jam yang bergerak, ya, move with different angle. Now if you see in the analog watch, you will know 2 different needles, the short needle and the long needle one. Short one to show hour, untuk menunjukkan jam. The long needle to show minutes, untuk menunjukkan menit. Nah, jangan bingung ya. Now, back to this topic. EM means at morning, and PM means past morning. Now you know, right? So if you want to say what time is it, because it is morning, so you can say, oh, it is 8 EM, because now the time is show 8 in the morning, so you can make shorter with say 8 EM. They will know that, okay, so now is 8 in the morning. Okay. Nah, selain 8 o'clock in the morning or 12, kalau misalnya ada kosong-kosong seperti ini, artinya kan jam 6 pas atau jam 12 pas. Nah, in English, if you want to say the word, you can say it is 6 o'clock in the morning, or it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, or we can say PM. Nah, Nanti selain 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock ada juga menit-menit yang lainnya. Kan jam gak hanya jam 6, gak hanya jam 12, kadang ada setengah 1, ada jam 6 lebih 15 menit, ada jam 7 kurang 15 menit. Nah, gimana ya cara penyebutannya? Nanti kesempatan akan ajarkan, ada powerpointnya nanti, oke? But let's see the video about telling time ya. And after that we will do small quiz in here. We can try to fill in the blank. Okay, so now let's see a short video about telling time from Happy Campers. Okay, ready guys? Yeah, keep spirited, yeah.
Vocabulary, 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 in the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the evening, at night, at night. Vocabulary, 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 noon, noon, midnight, midnight, early, early, late, late. Vocabulary, 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 vocabulary.
Okay, so that is the video about telling time ya. Nah, so we will see the different ya. This is the different schedule on its different what is it, time. So when we can say, okay, now is in the morning, and then after that now is in the afternoon, and then we can say it's in the evening. What is the difference? Now let's see this one. If you show the watch on your watch show 6 p.m. until 12 p.m., it's still called in the morning. Now, even though you see it's 12 p.m., most of the people from Indonesia, we say after 10 in the morning, we say 11 in the afternoon, and then 12 in the afternoon. Nah, but in the Western country, or mostly in European country, when it's still 6 until 12 p.m., 12 siang, we still call it in the morning. Nah, after 12 p.m. until 6 p.m., it's called in the afternoon. Nah, because mostly in the 5 season countries, when it's shows 6 p.m., the suns or the light is not darker as in Indonesia. Kadang there's still sunshine bright, even though it's 6 p.m. It's different with Indonesia ya. When we are in 5 p.m. in the mostly we set in the evening because of the sun already set. So that's why mostly in Indonesia people, when it shows 6 p.m. they will say, oh now is 5 in the evening, karena pengaruh the sunshine, sinar mataharinya. Kalau mungkin di Eropa, Amerika jam 6 tuh masih terang, masih kelihatan tinggi mataharinya, masih terang. Kalau Indonesia kan mungkin jam 5 aja udah gelap. It's because of the different place, because Indonesia in the equator place, and Western and European or American country, they have different time zones. So but that's okay. So this is just for your knowledge. And then after that, when you say 6 p.m. until 9 p.m., it's still in the evening. And after 9 p.m. until 12 it will be 12 p.m. It's can we say at night. It's actually If you can see after 12, then the minutes change into 1, it should be 12 p.m. Or you can say midnight, tengah malam. Kalau udah lewat dari 1 menit menjadi pagi atau dini hari. Nah, this one ya. What is the difference between noon and midnight? If noon, you can say it's p.m. Midnight is a.m. 12 a.m. pagi hari, at the morning. Noon itu siang hari, tengah bolong, siang bolong. Kalau midnight tengah malam, seperti itu. And this one we can see this one early. If there is a rooster, early means awal atau biasanya pagi hari, di awal. I wake up early, saya bangun sangat pagi. Nah, and late, nah, this is the picture of people sleeping. So late means malam, larut malam. So if you say I'm so sleepy because last night I slept late because I have to do my homework, for example. Saya tidur larut malam, late. Nah, gitu ya. So this one, nah, kita untuk pertemuan hari ini akan membahas untuk lesson 1 and lesson 2 karena membahas jam cukup banyak topiknya dan cukup perlu fokus atau konsentrasi anak-anak. Ini nanti kita untuk lesson 3 until lesson 8 we will discuss on the next meeting, okay? So for today we will discuss for lesson 1 until lesson 2 for the first meeting on unit 3, okay? Let's see, jadi understand ya what is the difference between AM and PM, and then how you can say, when you can say in the morning, when you can say in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Yeah, so you already know about the things. If now is 8 p.m., what do you say? 8 o'clock p.m. Is it in the evening or at night? Yes, good, in the evening. How about if it is 10 p.m.? 10 o'clock past morning. So how do you say it? It is in the evening or at night? Yes, at night. Okay. If it is 9 a.m., 9 at the morning, 9 o'clock at the morning, is it in the morning or is it in the afternoon? Yeah, it's in the morning. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, before we going to fill in this blank, Mr. Martin would like to show another things about telling time, because kita tidak cuma melajari jam 12 saja atau jam 6 pas, tapi ada juga lebihnya, ada lebih 30 menit, ada lebih 15 menit, ada kurang 15 menit. Nah, kira-kira apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya ya? So, let's see the PowerPoint. Nanti bisa di-download seperti biasa di Classroom. Okay. Nah, this one. Okay, so in the unit 3, telling time, so we will talk about time, of course, about clock. So in this one, we can see the clock. We have 5 different clock, yeah. So the first clock show, this is the shorthand atau short needle, jarum pendek ya, shorthand misalnya. Second hand bisa dibilang, second hand, this is the first hand. Wait, this is the first hand, second hand. Yeah, I think this is the second hand, this is the first hand. Tangan pertama, tangan kedua itu maksudnya jarum panjangnya, jarum pendeknya. If I not mistaken, yeah, you can correct me later. So, for example, in the first picture, where's the cursor? Yeah, the second hand showed at number 9. and the long needle or the first hand show at 12, number 12. So it means this is the hours and this is the minutes, because in 1 hours we have 60 minutes. 1 jam ada 60 menit. Dan satu putaran penuh ini untuk jarum panjang itu berarti 1 jam atau 60 menit. Jadi dari ini angka 12 ke angka 1 itu berapa menit? Yes, dihitung. Ini kan ada titik-titik kecilnya. Ini di sini ya, coba hitung ya. Per titik ini menandakan 1 menit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah, dari jam 12 ke angka 1 itu 5 menit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya, 5 menit ya. Jadi per titik kecil ini mewakili 1 menit. Oke, rentang waktu 1 menit. Nah, berarti if the first hand show number 9 and the second hand show number 12, it means it is 9 o'clock at the morning atau AM at morning. And this one, if second hand shows still ya number 12 and the first hand show to number 3, it is 3 o'clock. Anggaplah di sini adalah PM, past morning. Nanti kalau 3 o'clock, is it in the afternoon or in the morning or in the evening? Yes, 3 o'clock still ya, in the afternoon. Kalau in the evening setelah jam 6. Ya, jam 6 sampai jam 9, that's in the evening. Next, nah, this one. If the second hand, jarum panjangnya menunjuk ke angka number 6, nah, it's show berapa menit kira-kira? Dari jarum panjang dari angka 12 ke angka 6. Nah, kira-kira ada berapa menit? Kita kalikan, kita jumlahkan bersama-sama. Dari angka 12 ke angka 1 kan mewakili 5 menit, menunjukkan rentang waktu 5 menit. So, kita hitung bersama-sama. Mana tadi misalnya? Nah, dari 12 ke angka 1, 5 menit. Dari 1 ke angka 2, ditambahkan berarti 5 tambah 5, 10. Dari 2 ke 3, 10 tambah 5, 15. Dari angka 3 ke angka 4, tambah 5 menit lagi. Berarti tadi kalau di angka 3 sudah 15 menit, tambah 5 menit lagi jadi 20 menit. And then plus 5 again becomes 20 minutes. And the last one dari angka 5 menuju ke angka 6 berarti ada, jadi kan di angka 5 tadi we have 25 minutes ya, the total. And so if the second hand shows to the number 6, it means there are 30 minutes, ada 30 menit. Nah, so that's why if you want to telling a time, kalau udah digital mungkin bisa, jam digital mungkin bisa bilang 7:30, 7:30. But if you want, if in the formal language, bahasa yang benar, you say it is 7:30. Half past itu maksudnya lebih 30 menit. Jarum pendek di antara angka 8 dan 7 berarti melewati angka 7 kan. Jarum panjang di angka 6 menunjukkan menit 30. Berarti jam 7 lewat 30 menit. Atau kita gampangnya menyebutnya setengah 8. Nah, but if you say in English, it said it is 7:30. Jangan sampai lupa, karena ini pasti muncul nanti di ujian. Half itu maksudnya setengah dari total jam ini, jam secara bentuknya ya, ini kan membagi setengah jam, setengah lingkaran, a half circle. Nah, so it's called a half past 7. A half maksudnya 30 menit. Pas itu melebihi. Nah, nanti di sini, nah ini jangan bingung. Berikutnya, kalau jadi udah paham ya berarti ya, a half past itu maksudnya lebih 30 menit ya. Jadi kalau jarum pendeknya menuju ke angka di antara angka 8 dan 9, jarum panjang di angka 6 berarti it is a half past. Yuk, kalau jarum panjangnya di antara angka 9 dan 8, it is a half past 8 atau it is a half past 9. Ya, it is a half past 8, setengah 9. Oke, next move to this one. Nah, selain ada kata-kata a half, setengah jam atau 30 menit, ada juga 15 menit, seperempat ya biasanya kalian bilangnya ya, jam 7 lewat 15 menit atau jam 7 seperempat. Nah, seperempat atau 15 menit bahasa Inggrisnya adalah this one, a quarter past. Nanti ada juga a quarter to. Nah, what is the difference? This one. Sepatu sudah gambarkan, ini kan jamnya dibagi dua, setengah lingkaran. Yang paling gampang, kalau jarum panjangnya berada di sisi kanan dari jam tersebut, di sebelah kanan, itu berarti quarter past. Kalau jarum panjangnya sudah melewati angka 6 nih, jarum panjangnya kan ini masih sebelum angka 6, berarti ada quarter past. Kalau jarum panjangnya sudah melewati angka 6, kayak di gambar bawahnya ini yang warna hijau, itu berarti menggunakan a quarter to atau kurang berapa menit biasanya, seperti itu. Oke ya, jangan bingung. Oke, nanti pertemuan berikutnya akan ada quiz review. Untuk pertemuan kali ini tidak ada quiz review. Oke, so it is a quarter past 7, jam 7 lewat 15 menit. Quarter past, jadi kalau sebelah kanan itu pas, sebelah kiri itu to atau kurang. Yang bawahnya nih jam 5 kurang 15 menit. Nah, berarti it is a quarter to 5. Tuh, jarum pendeknya menuju ke angka 5, jarum panjangnya di angka 9. Artinya jam 5 kurang 15 menit. Atau kalau di jam digital, jam 4 lewat 45 menit. Nah, dihitung sendiri kalau nggak percaya. Dari angka 12 ke angka 9 berapa menit itu? Nah, 45 menit ini. Nah, kalau di jam digital, nah pasti menunjukkannya 4 lebih 45 menit. Nah, makanya kalau mau belajar telling time, pakai jam analog. Nah, supaya kalian bisa terlatih menganalisa ini berapa menit ya kira-kira ya. Nah, seperti itu ya. Oke, understand ya? I hope you understand. Nanti bisa dibaca-baca lagi untuk PowerPoint-nya. Oke, di rumah. Oke, so after this, setelah kalian sudah paham mengenai telling time, please do at your home, do by yourself, tugas mandiri. Tugas mandiri itu artinya dikerjakan sendiri, ditulis di buku HP Campers yang language lots, tidak perlu dikumpulkan karena itu adalah tugas mandiri untuk kalian berlatih. Nanti pertama minggu depan ada quiz reviewnya. Untuk minggu ini hanya dengarkan penjelasan Miss Martin sambil mencatat dan juga mengerjakan di unit 3 on language lots page 9 until page 25, sorry. Page 24 until page 25 on unit 3. Silakan dikerjakan ya dengan usaha kalian sendiri, okay? So please do unit 3 page 24 and 25. Okay guys, so that's all for today about telling time. Don't forget, don't be confused, please read again Please listen the explanation from Mr. Martin. Jangan di skip, jangan dilewati dulu cantik kalau lihat YouTube. PowerPoint-nya bisa di-download dan dipelajari di rumah. Remember, okay, different between quarter past and quarter to. Kalau quarter past di sebelah kanan, sisi kanannya jam sebelum angka 6. Jarum panjang sebelum melewati angka 6 itu pasti menggunakan quarter past atau half past. Kalau jarum panjang melewati angka 6 menuju ke angka 7 dan seterusnya sampai angka 12, itu berarti a quarter to. Jangan terbalik. Okay guys, so I think that's all for today about Unit 3. Thank you and stay healthy. Don't forget to eat the healthy food and see you on the next week. Bye bye. See you next meeting ya.